the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, which debuted in April last year. The Edge 70 Fusion has now surfaced in a new leak that reveals its full set of specifications. The Motorola Edge 70 Fusion is tipped to feature a 6.78-inch quad-curved AMOLED screen offering a 1.5K resolution, a 144Hz refresh rate, up to 5,200 nits of peak brightness, and HDR10+ support. The display is expected to be protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. The phone is said to carry MIL STD 810 military-grade certification along with IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. The Edge 70 Fusion is expected to feature a 50-megapixel Sony Lisha camera as its primary sensor, a 32-megapixel camera for selfies. Powering the device is likely to be the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset and up to 12GB plus 256GB variants. The Edge 70 Fusion is also expected to pack a large 7,000 mAh battery with support for 68W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.